Hello, this is Profectronics, and today I'm gonna show you how to build programs for the Controllino PLC by using LabVIEW. Controllino is an Arduino based PLC which comes in 4 different formats, namely the Mini, the Maxi Automation, which is used in this video, and Controllino Mega. For more information, check out the homepage controllino.biz. I will put all the links in the description of this video. Before you can start writing your first program, you have to set up the toolchain. Beside the LabVIEW development system, you need the Arduino IDE and the Arduino compatible compiler for LabVIEW. The Arduino IDE can be found on the download section of the Arduino homepage. At this point, it's important to download the Windows installer or the Windows zip file. If you would install the Windows app, the LabVIEW compiler would not be able to find the Arduino IDE, and so it would not be working. After finishing the installation process of the Arduino IDE, you have to integrate the Controllino library and the Controllino hardware definition file. A detailed description about this procedure can be found on GitHub. To integrate the Controllino library, open the Arduino IDE, go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries, search for Controllino and install the latest version of this package. To integrate the hardware definition file, go to File, Preferences, and then copy this link from GitHub into this box here. Then press OK. Go to Tools, Board Manager, and search for Controllino again. And install this package here. Now you have to install the Arduino compatible compiler for LabVIEW from TS Experts. Therefore you have to open the VI package manager, search for Arduino, select the Arduino compatible compiler, and then press install. So the setup of the toolchain is finished, and now you can start writing your first program. Therefore you open LabVIEW. Go to File, New VI, press Ctrl T to arrange the front panel and the block diagram, and then go to File, Save. I will call it Blinking LED because I want to toggle the indicator LED of digital output 0, which is this LED here. And digital output 0 has the address 2. You can find this pinout table at the Controllino homepage, and I will also add a link to the description of this video. Like any other Arduino program, also the Arduino program written in LabVIEW consists of two main parts, namely the setup part and the loop part. To add a while loop to the block diagram, make a right click on the block diagram, go to Add-ons, Arduino compatible compiler for LabVIEW, and fix the palette on the block diagram. Then go to Structures and select while loop. First I will make the setup part. In the setup part I will initialize the working mode of my output pin. Therefore I go to digital pin mode, right click at the pin terminal, create constant, and now we'll insert the address 2. Then I will make a right click at the direction terminal, create constant, and I will select the output mode. And now I will also initialize the value of my Boolean variable. Therefore I go to Boolean and add this false constant. So the setup part is finished, and now I'm starting programming the loop part. I will add a memory from a variable to the loop. Therefore I will make the right click at the loop, add shift register. This shift register holds the value of my variable. I will connect it with the false constant, so the shift register is initialized with false. Inside the loop I will manipulate the variable with a not vi, so it starts toggling with every iteration. And then I will write the value of this variable to the port. Therefore I go to digital again, select digital write, and place this VI inside the loop. I will also connect the pin address to the constant holding 2, and the state terminal will be connected to my variable. Then I will add another false constant to make the while loop run forever. And I will also add this wait vi to control the loop iteration time. I will add this here, create constant, and I will insert 500 to make this vi wait 500 milliseconds. Then I go to the front panel, I make a right click, go to Boolean, select an LED, I will call it LED. I will put it inside the while loop, and I will connect it to my variable 2. So now the program is finished, and before I download it to the Controllino PLC, I will test it on my host PC. Go to the run button, and as you can see, the LED starts blinking. Now I will download the program to the Controllino. Therefore go to Tools, select the Arduino compatible compiler. I will select the VI, load VI, and I will select my VI. Then I go to Tools, Boards, and I will select the Controllino Maxi Automation board. Then I will look for the port I'm writing to, which is port 3. This should be correct. And then I can press the button compile and download. As you can see, the compiler starts working, compilation was successful and the Controllino PLC starts blinking.